recap of what we learned in the lesson Nasruddin's aim. Okay, I will go to Fatima Jafar. Yes, Fatima, can you explain and share with everyone what happens in the story?
Nasruddin's aim.
Yeah, what is aim? No, I don't. Yeah, you're reading the story or you're telling me the story? You don't need to read the story. Yeah, please tell me the story.
One day Nasruddin was chatting with his friends.
Yes.
He said, no one can match my skills in archery.
Archery. Okay, so what is aim का मतलब क्या होता है? निशान, निशान लगाना, aim करना, target पे hit करना, aim करके उसको aim कहते हैं. So he was talking about his skills in archery. Yes. Yes, continue, Fatima.
Then one of his friends brought arrows and a bow, and he said,
Now,
show us
your skills now. Yeah, now show us your skills.
As your skill.
Yes.
Then Nasruddin picked one arrow and then shoot. Then it didn't hit the target.
Yes.
It fell somewhere in the middle.
Excellent. Okay, somebody would like to continue from here. Fatima has given me the first half of the story. Abira and Sarina, आप continue करोगे? क्या होता है उसके बाद स्टोरी में? नसरुद्दीन का पहला निशाना जो है चूक गया, वो जो है नीचे गिर गई थी, वो arrow, it didn't hit the target. Yes, he tried the second time. Yes, Abira, continue.
He tried a second time and she put the arrow.
Nasruddin is a boy, so we will use the word he, not she. She हम girls के लिए use करते हैं, boys के लिए we will use he. Yes.
He joined another time and he put the arrow at the red point.
फिर से चूक गया था, दूसरी बार भी निशाना चूक गया था नसरुद्दीन से. It didn't hit the target again. So what did his friends do? What did his friends do? They
The friends burst into laughter.
Very good. They burst into laughter. सब obviously वो इतना बोल रहा था कि मैं इतना अच्छा निशानेबाज हूँ कि मेरी कोई निशाना चूकता ही नहीं, और 2 बार उसका निशाना चूक गया. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? That he was telling the truth or he was lying? He was lying, right?
Lying.
बोल रहा था, वो झूठ बोल रहा था कि मैं बहुत अच्छा निशानेबाज हूँ. And what happens next? Who can tell me? करार, आप थे क्लास में? करार, can you continue, करार? Yes, करार. Abbasi, can you continue? Unmute yourself and tell me. Yes. हाँ Abbasi, बोलो. Okay, ठीक है, no problem. Sakina, please continue.
My network is not coming
Okay, no problem. Sakina is telling, let us hear from Sakina and everyone will just microphone switched off. Karar, microphone बंद कर दीजिए अपना. Sakina, speak up now. Yes, Sakina.
Ma'am, the third time the arrow goes to the target, ma'am.
Yeah, it hits the target. It hits
Yes,
ma'am.
the target. All the friends were.
Now he says that this is my kind of, this is my skill. जो पहला वाला चूक गया, और का नाम ले लिया.
No, ma'am.
So he took someone else's name, and by chance the third time it hit the target, and he told, this is my aim. Aim का मतलब क्या होता है? It is निशाना. So he said, this is my aim. This is my aim. So this is. So we learned new words.
Good morning, ma'am. All the friends will stare at him.
Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Who's
All
that?
the friends will stare at him.
Yes, they were staring at him. Staring at him मतलब घूर के देखना. Boast का मतलब क्या होता है? We learned a new word, boast. वो boast कर रहा था, मतलब अपनी खुद की तारीफ कर रहा था वो.
Saying about their ability.
Themselves. He was talking about अपने बारे में शान से. That is called boasting. जो अपनी शान के अपने बारे में खुद बोलते हैं ना, बढ़ा चढ़ा के जो बोलते हैं उसको it's called boasting. Now we are done with the lesson. Now we'll move on to little grammar today and we will learn something new. Okay, before even learning that thing, I want you all to announce this. मैंने एक WhatsApp में message भेजा है. There are few online courses हैं ये थोड़े बहुत. For that the fee is ₹500 only. और उसमें भी अगर आपने फर्स्ट 40 नामों में आपने रजिस्टर कर लिया स्कूल पे आके, तो आपकी फीस हो जाएगी ₹250 ओनली. जो फर्स्ट 40 आएंगे, ₹250 आपके होंगे, ₹250 स्कूल विल पे. अगर आप 40 के बाद आओगे तो आपको फुल ₹500 पे करना पड़ेगा. और ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग courses hai. This is for 1 week and you will get a certificate also for that. You can tell your parents about this. It's not compulsory, but if you want to learn something, you will get a certificate after that, जो आप क्लासेस अटेंड करने के बाद. बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कोर्सेस हैं. जस्ट चेक विथ योर पेरेंट्स इफ दे वांट टू एनरोल यू एंड यू हैव टू कम टू स्कूल एंड पे द फीस. अगर आप फर्स्ट 40 में आओगे तो आपको सिर्फ ₹250 पे करना पड़ेगा, ना कि 500. अगर लेकिन आप 41st स्टूडेंट है, अगर लॉग इन करने में आके, तो देन यू हैव टू पे. Yes. Not compulsory for anyone. You can, if you want, you can join. Please check. But इसके लिए लैपटॉप या डेस्कटॉप रहना जरूरी है, क्योंकि ये मोबाइल से सही नहीं आएगा. कुछ बताएंगे. Yes, 1 minute. Let me finish Karar. For this course, you will need a laptop or a desktop. मोबाइल पे ये कोर्स सही नहीं आएगा. So if you have a laptop or desktop, or if you can borrow from someone एक वीक के लिए कि आप ऑनलाइन कोर्स अटेंड कर सको, तो यू कैन बोरो एंड यूज अ लैपटॉप. अभी बताने पे वो सही नहीं आएगा. सो हैविंग अ लैपटॉप और अ डेस्कटॉप मस्ट. एंड दिस इज नॉट अ कंपल्सरी कोर्स. समबडी इज टॉकिंग. बेटे करार प्लीज आपकी माइक म्यूट करिए प्लीज. ठीक है. सो प्लीज check with your parents. If they want to enroll you, they can come to school. They can come and pay the pay ₹500. Or if you're in the first 40 students, then you need to pay only ₹250. ₹250 school के pay करेगी आपके लिए. If you have all understood, can you give me a thumbs up quickly and we will move on with our lesson. Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Ali Heather. Everyone, thank you so much. So today we are going to learn a new topic in grammar. This is called adverbs. Adverbs. हमने verbs already पढ़ा है. Yes, have we learned verbs? What are verbs? मुझे बताइए कि what? But the first
Actions.
Yes, action words are called verbs. What are the action words? Running, playing, eating, jumping, standing, walking, sleeping, dancing, drinking. ये सब action words. Singing, watching, playing. ये पूरे action words हैं. Now today we are going to learn what are adverbs. Adverbs जो है वो verb को बताते. Now I'll just show you a video, then I'll do the explanation. First we will watch a nice video, we will understand, and then again I will play the video. Pause करके आपको I will share with you what it is. So first let us watch the video, which means everyone's microphones should be switched off. Everyone's microphones should be switched off for me to share the video. नहीं तो क्या होगा, बहुत सारी disturbance होती है and you will not be able to understand anything. And one more important thing is, as and when you get some points, you can note it down in your notebooks as well. So whenever you sit for your class, you should be ready with your pencil, eraser and notebooks. जो भी important, आज हम क्या पढ़ने वाले हैं? Adverbs पढ़ने वाले. Very good, Ali Haider. Excellent, excellent. So whenever you sit for any class, it's not only English class or math class. जो भी class में बैठेंगे, always sit in a nice quiet place without disturbance, ready with your pencil, notebook and eraser. Okay, so chalo, I'm going to play the video, but please all of you mute your microphones. Okay, हम जो हमारा एंड पार्ट है इसका उसमें तीनों में ऐसा एंडिंग में छोटा सा रोल बनाएंगे मैम. Yeah, I'm playing the video. Listen now.
3 plus 4. Check your answer here to earn fun pet.
Adverbs. Nikki is telling Ricky about words that describe an action verb. For example, I ate my dinner quickly.
Here, quickly tells us how the action happens. That is, quickly describes the action word ate.
Another example. Sam sees many puppies outside. In this example,
Outside tells us where the action happens.
that is, outside describes the action word sees. Let us look at one more example. My father came home early.
Here, early tells us when the action happens.
That is, early describes the action word came.
An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb.
So have you understood this? Now look at this definition. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Verb क्या होता है? Action होता है, right? The action we do. Eat, sleep, drink. अभी ने discuss किया था a verb. Verb is an action. Adverb क्या करता है? Adverb का क्या काम है? It tells more about a verb. Action कैसा? Like हम nouns, adjectives बोलते हैं. Adjective describes.
Where the
Adjective को क्या बोलते हैं? It describes a noun, right? Beautiful hair, beautiful color. जो भी noun होता है उसको जो word ज्यादा describe करता है कि वो कैसा है. How is that noun? The tall girl. Girl is a noun. Tall is an adjective. वैसे ही यहाँ पे verb एक action होता है और adverb is a word that tells more about action. वो action कैसा है, कहाँ हो रहा है. The word that tells us this information is called an adverb. An adverb. So look at the definition carefully. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. Now let's look more example. Then we will come back and discuss.
An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens.
See this
Or
sentence
when
also.
an
An adverb tells how, where or when an action happens. कब होता है, कैसे होता है, कहाँ होता है. Action क्या है? वो बच्चा कैसे रन कर रहा है? He's running very fast. That is, how is he running? He's running very fast. I finished my dinner quickly. कैसे finish किया? बहुत जल्दी finish किया. I finished my dinner quickly. कैसे finish किया? बहुत जल्दी finish किया. That boy is playing outside. Playing कहाँ? Outside. So these are the adverbs, जहाँ adverbs tells how, where or when an action happens.
An action happens. The words daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently, near, soon, etc.
So these are some examples of adverbs. Daily, somewhere, quickly, everywhere, calmly, regularly, nowhere, freely, silently. Chalo, we will try to use some sentences here. I go to school daily. यहाँ पे एक्शन क्या है? यहाँ पे I go to school daily. What is the action word here? Which is the action word here? If I say a sentence, I go to
Ma'am.
school. Yes.
I want to tell one sentence.
Yes.
Adverb. Daily is an adverb.
Daily is an adverb.
Daily.
Yes. My father goes to office daily. So what is the action here? Go is the action here, right? The word go is the action.
Going.
So that daily is describing go. Daily जो है और ज्यादा verb को बता रखे हैं कि कब कब जाते हैं? Daily जाते हैं. When does he go? He goes daily. Okay. I dropped my pen somewhere. What is the action here? I dropped my pen
Drop.
somewhere. Verb क्या है?
Drop.
Is the verb.
Drop.
Excellent.
Verb.
Drop. Somewhere is an adverb.
Somewhere is a adverb.
Adverb. So I dropped my pen somewhere. Dropped is the verb and somewhere is the adverb here. Now we will also learn a word with quickly. I jumped over the table quickly. I jumped over the table quickly. What is the verb here?
Jump is a verb. Jump.
I only have Fatima Jafar answering. I want the others also to answer my questions. It's not only Fatima Jafar. Yes, excellent Fatima. Let's clap for her. She's giving me all the right answers. Jumped is the verb here. I jumped over the table quickly. कैसे jump किया मैंने? Quickly. So
Quickly.
is the
Ma'am.
is an
Quickly is
adverb.
an adverb.
Adverb. Very good. Jumped is the verb and quickly is the adverb. And
Adverb.
another. Okay. Yes. Somebody wants to talk. 1 minute. Yes. Who wants to talk? Give me your name. Karar, आपको बात करना है. Karar, where's your camera? Karar, why are you out of camera? Karar. Yeah, somebody was calling, ma'am. Abira, आपको कुछ कहना है? Ali Haider, you want to talk? Yeah, tell me what is it? Ali Haider, you wanted to talk? Yes, tell me.
No, ma'am.
Yes, who wants to
Ma'am.
talk? Yeah, please, you can.
I
Okay.
want to also tell one.
Yes, tell me. Tell me one action.
Seema is looking beautiful.
Oh, beautiful is an adjective here. Beautiful is an adjective. ठीक है, चलो हम और थोड़ा पढ़ते हैं adverbs के बारे में. Let us look at examples and then we will move ahead. Yes, Karar, आप सिर्फ मैम मैम बोल रहे हो, लेकिन कुछ भी नहीं बोल रहे. When I ask you something, you're not telling me anything. Computer? Karar, can you tell me that in English, please? I don't have a computer at home. Is that really difficult to tell in English?
I don't
In
have
Urdu class, Karar, you have to tell, simple things at least in English. You have to tell, I don't have a computer at home, ma'am. I don't have a computer. Instead of telling everything in Urdu, please tell me in Karar, can you repeat that sentence? I don't have a computer at home, ma'am. Karar, please repeat that. I don't have a computer at home. बोलो.
I don't have a computer
at home. Excellent. तो अभी आ गया ना. It's very easy. अगर आप कोशिश नहीं करोगे तो कभी नहीं बोल पाओगे. जब तक आप कोशिश नहीं करोगे, not be able to speak. Ali Haider, that's your tab. Okay. Students, we may be running out of time. Jaldi, quickly, I'm going to play the video. We'll look at and we will discuss more about adverbs in the next class. Okay. थोड़ी देर में log out हो जाएगी meeting. Then we will discuss adverb in the next class. Meanwhile, please talk up.
मैम कंप्यूटर नहीं है तो क्या करना मैम?
बेटे कंप्यूटर नहीं है तो जरूरी नहीं है आपको ज्वाइन करना. ठीक है, आपको जरूरी नहीं ज्वाइन करना. अगर कंप्यूटर नहीं है तो इट्स फाइन. यू डोंट नीड. इफ यू कैन बोरो somebody's computer, if you can take from your uncle or your brother or somebody, then you can do it. If you don't have a computer, then it's not required. Yes.
And I have computer also and laptop.
Okay, excellent. Then probably you can check with your parents if they want you to enroll for this course, and then you can come and pay the fees at school. Okay, so chalo, but we'll quickly not waste more of time and we will go back to the video and we'll watch it quietly. Now again, I just told
Are adverbs.
watch the video quietly. We will watch the video quietly. Watch क्या हुआ यहाँ पे? Watch is the verb and quietly is an verb. Watch is a verb and quietly is an adverb. चलो.
Adverb.
Excellent, excellent. चलो.
An adverb never describes a noun or a pronoun.
हाँ, this is also very very important. An adverb जो है noun और pronoun क्या है? Name, place, animal, thing आपको मालूम है. What is a pronoun? Pronoun जैसे हम बोलते हैं he, she, they, me, we, I. ये words pronouns होते हैं. तो an adverb will never describe a noun or a pronoun. वो किस
Pronoun.
करता है? Adverb describes only the action word, that is a verb. Adverb will only describe a verb, not a noun or a pronoun.
Ricky often gets confused between adverbs and adjectives. Nikki tells him to remember the following. Adverbs describe verbs. Adjectives describe nouns. An adverb never describes a noun. For example, I ate a heavy meal. Here, the word heavy describes the noun meal. Sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. The dress is elegant. Here, elegant, an adjective, describes the dress, which is a noun. She dresses elegantly.
Now see, can you see the difference in these two sentences? यहाँ पे भी we are using the same word. The dress is elegant. In this,
Elegant.
yes, the dress
He
is a
dresses
noun.
elegantly.
Elegant is an adjective because it is describing how the dress is. Dress कैसा है? Dress is elegant. So the word elegant is describing the noun dress. अगर मैंने ये elegant के साथ ly add कर दिया,
Ma'am, I want to tell one more.
Yes,
She
Fatima. who wants
dresses
to tell?
elegantly.
Alina dress is red.
Okay, so we'll move on. See here, look at this sentence. The dress is elegant. Dress जो है noun है, elegant is an adjective. So in this dress there is no adverb. इसमें ये वाले sentence में adverb नहीं
हेलो
है.
मैम, क्या
Now,
कर रहे हैं बोलो ना.
look at this sentence.
She dresses
She dresses elegantly. यहाँ पे dresses क्या हो गया? This is become a verb now. Dresses is an action. Dresses is पहनने को dresses बोलते हैं. तो this becomes a verb and elegant के साथ हम l लगा दिया तो that becomes an adverb. That becomes an adverb. Now look at it.
Elegantly. Here, elegantly, an adverb describes the word dresses.
So now have you all understood what an adverb is? An adverb का काम क्या है? That describes or tells us more about the action word that is the verb. An adverb is a word that describes the verb. It describes the verb. What are verbs? Verbs are action words. So we will be learning more about adverbs and we will try to practice.
मैम हमारा कैमरा नहीं चल रहा था.
Karar again, who told that हमारा कैमरा नहीं चल रहा था? Who told that?
Use tab also.
Can we just say that my camera was... No, everybody is thinking that this is a Urdu class and everybody is talking in Urdu.
तो मैम